Clearview Power Boards are retractable side steps that offer an easy and safe way to enter and exit your vehicle. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the smooth operations of your power boards. Follow these routine cleaning tips to keep them in top condition. Tips to keep the power boards in top condition. Routine cleaning steps. Rinse away loose dirt and grime with a garden hose and avoid high pressure washing. Wash with warm water and mild car wash using a soft towel to clean the boards and arms. For stubborn grime or tar, use a road grime or tar remover, then rewash. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and dry it off with a soft towel. Maintaining the powder coated arms. If the powder coated arms start to lose their shine, apply a high grade non-abrasive car wax. Ensure the wax contains UV blockers but avoid compound type waxes. Safety and what to avoid. Do not use detailing sprays on the step threads as it makes it slippery. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the finish. Stay within the load bearing limits. Exceeding the weight capacity can damage the arms. High pressure washers can damage the electrical components. Water forced into electrical connections can affect operation and is not covered under warranty. We encourage using a gentle wash method to prevent damage. For more tips and tricks, head to clearviewaccessories.com.au.